miles.
Hello, happy Friday. We're doing something a little different today. Road trip unboxing.
Racing. Oh yeah.
Racing. Road trip unboxing. So first out of the box we have the QMS Lip Line Corrector Lip Serum. This has a value of $200. I paid $25 for this box, y'all. This is well exceeded what I paid for this box already. So up next we have the Very Cherry Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm by Pharmacy, and this retails for $34.
Holy crap.
And we also have the Becca Ultimate Lip Definer, and this retails for $18. It is in the shade Mystery.
Gold.
Does that mean it's a mystery shade, or is that the name of the shade? I don't know.
Both.
But it looks like it's like a red-ish color. Oh, that's pretty. Yeah. Okay, where's my... There we go. There is the swatch for that.
In half a mile, continue straight to stay on US 180 East.
Okay. I'll do that.
And then next we have the Project Beauty Hair Gurt Intense Repair Yogurt Hair Mask. I can use that. So we got this, and it is a retail value of $10. And last but not least, we have Hank & Henry Living in Color Palette, and this retails for $27. Really pretty. It's got 5 shimmers and 5 mattes. So pretty. Okay, and that is it for our March Boxycharm box. Take
What?
1,030.
We are going up there fast.
Our March Boxycharm box has a value of $289. I paid $25 for the base box. The premium box had a Fenty takeover this month, and it is $35 a month. And then the Luxe box is every 3 months, and that is $55. If you enjoy these videos, give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe and hit the like button. All right, see y'all next time. Bye.